How to write Urdu in MS Word? Go to the Google search engine and search Curlp phonetic keyboard. Select the first option, which is the Center for Language Engineering. Select the Curlp Urdu phonetic keyboard layout from here. Download it. Now open it from here. Go to the setup. The setup will take a little time to be installed into your computer. Yes, it has been installed into your computer successfully. Close it. You can see from here there are two languages, English and Urdu over here. Now go to urdujahan.com and select the Urdu fonts. There are number of fonts here. You can download them and install into your computer, like download, save, open it and install. If you have already installed the font into your computer, then you can replace it. Now it has been installed into your computer. Download one by one all of these and install into your computer. Now go to MS Word. In MS Word, change the language from here from English to Urdu. The fonts that you have installed for Urdu are here. You can find them or search from here. Select one of these, change the alignment and increase the font size. Now write. Now you can use the shortcut keys of MS Word, increase or decrease the font size or anything else. Thanks for watching the video. Subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thanks.